bonjour. We will now do a quick recap of what we have done in the entire book. We will start with les salutations, which is the greetings. So we learnt in French the different greetings. We've learned how to differentiate between a formal and an informal greeting. So for example, bonjour is formal, salut is informal. We also learned how to ask somebody their name. The informal way is comment tu t'appelles and the formal way is comment vous appelez-vous. And how do we say my name is Riddhi in French? Je m'appelle Riddhi. We also learned how to ask somebody how are you. So the formal way of asking is comment ça va and the informal way is comment allez-vous. And then we've learned in the textbook how to respond to this question according to how you are feeling. The next topic that we did was les pronoms sujets, the subject pronouns, which is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So it translates into I, you, he, she, we, you, they. Now remember, in case of mixed gender, you will always stick to masculine plural, which is ILS. Only in case of all feminine will you use feminine plural, which is ELLES. And in case of masculine plural, of course, you will use ILS. Then we did the numbers, the cardinal numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So we did this till 100. Be careful when writing 21, 31, you have to write an ET in between till 71. But for 81 and 91, ET and will not come. And remember, 80 is 4 times 20, so 4 1. 90 is 4 times 20 and 10, so 4 1 these. So please memorize your numbers, there is no shortcut to it. Then we did how to ask questions in French. So for example, if you see a person and you don't know who that person is, or you see a group of people and you don't know who they are, you can ask the question, qui est? So whether it's one person or more than one person, the question remains the same, qui est? So for people, qui est? And for objects and animals, we use the question, qu'est-ce que c'est? So whether it is one object or one animal that you are trying to find out about, the question remains the same, which is qu'est-ce que c'est? Then we studied the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are a, un and they. A comes in front of masculine singular nouns, un in front of feminine singular nouns, and if we have to make plural, we will use they, D-E-S, they. Now how do we make a noun plural? So in English we make a noun plural by adding an S. The same logic applies in French. Generally we make a noun plural by adding an S. But if in the singular form the noun ends with S, X or Z, it remains the same in the plural form. You will not add another S to it. Nouns which end in EAU or EU take an X in the plural and not an S. So we did a few examples like le drapeau, l'oiseau, le gâteau, which end with EAU. So the plural of these nouns will become EAUX and not an S. Then we studied about adjectives. Adjectives in French agree with the noun in number and gender. So there are 4 forms to each adjective: masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. So how do you make an adjective feminine to agree with the noun? You make an adjective feminine by adding an E, and you make an adjective plural by adding an S. The rule that we studied for nouns, that if the noun ends with S, X or Z in its singular form, remains the same in its plural form, applies in case of adjectives also. If an adjective ends with an E in its masculine singular form, it will remain the same in its feminine singular form. You will not add another E. Then we studied about the definite articles, which is your the. In French, it would be le, la, L apostrophe and le. So le, le is in front of masculine singular nouns. La, la is in front of feminine singular noun, and any singular noun starting with a vowel or h will be L apostrophe, and the plural of all of these will be le, which is les. Then we did 3 irregular verbs, which are être, avoir and aller. These 3 are irregular verbs. They are one of the most basic and important verbs of French, and you have to memorize the conjugation. So I will quickly recap. For être, it is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. For avoir, it will be j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. And for aller, it would be je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Then we studied the first group of verbs, which is the ER ending verbs. How do we conjugate an ER ending verb? We cancel the ER and we add E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. So we will cancel the ER. Whatever remaining part of the verb is there, we will copy it as it is. For je, we will add an E. Tu, we will add ES. For il, we will add E. For elle, we will add E. For nous, we will add ONS. For vous, we will add EZ. For il, we will add ENT. And for elle, we will add ENT. So this is how you will conjugate your ER group of verbs. The next one is that we studied was nationalities. So as we studied, all countries in French have gender. Countries ending with an E are feminine, and nationalities are also like your adjectives. There will be 4 forms to it: masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. We generally make a nationality feminine by adding an E, and we make it plural by adding an S. If in the masculine singular form the nationality is ending with an E, it remains the same in its feminine form. And if in the masculine singular form it ends with an S, it will not take another S in the masculine plural form. So the rule that we did for nouns applies to nationalities also. And then we studied about colors. So colors are also like adjectives. There are 4 forms to it: masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. So you make a color feminine by adding an E, and you make a color plural by adding an S. The 2 most important ones, marron and orange, they remain invariable in all its forms. So you will not make them feminine or you will not make them plural by adding an S. They remain the same in all the 4 forms. And if the color ends with an S in its masculine singular form, it remains the same in its masculine plural form. You will not add another S, just like we studied in nouns and adjectives. So this finishes our recap. Thank you.